Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning what is the purpose of this M plus, M minus and MRC. Actually, it is memory plus, memory minus and memory recall. So we can simply multiply things by using this. Okay, just see this 25 M plus 35 M plus. So we will be add 25 and 35 to memory, then recall it. The total amount is 60. Okay, and we can simply use this one 10 memory minus, then memory recall, then it will be 50. So in this way you can simply add values to memory like this. So this is very useful while you are calculating different types of uh, product items. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.